La Cocotte 5 quarts from Staub, unboxing and specifications. Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Today I'm not going to be sharing for you any recipe or cookie tutorial, but I am going to share with you an unboxing of something that I have been wishing for so long to have in my kitchen, and also I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. First, if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. Here is the star of this show. It is very nice. It's a Cocotte from Staub and it's brand new, and I am going to be opening it. It says that it's easy opening. We'll see. Oh yes. Are you ready? Let's see. You really need to pull up very hard. Ta-da! Okay, here is the lid, I believe. Let's see. Oh, made in France. And oh my gosh, this is the color that I wanted. The color is cherry and it's beautiful. And I really like this little detail. It is a printed ribbon that it says Staub and has the colors of the French flag. And it says La Cocotte. I hope that it's pronounced like this, and it's from Staub. Beautiful, oh my gosh, so cute. I really love the packaging, it's so nice. Oh. And if you are into clean cooking, cast iron enamel cookware are among the less toxic. Here is the other part. I hope that you can see it. Wow, oh my gosh. This is 100% cast iron beauty. And don't get rid of the box because there is important information there. And I will talk about it later. It's so beautiful. I really like it. The color is perfect. This is the little manual that it comes with your Cocotte. And it says the mini book for care and use. And it has all the information that you need to start using your Cocotte, and also is going to explain you what is special about cooking in one of these beauties, and it has the information in several languages. I recommend to read this very carefully before using your Cocotte. La Cocotte is the French term for what is also known as French oven or Dutch oven, and this Cocotte is very coquette with this ribbon. And it comes with these little plastic things, 4 of them. So don't throw them away because they're going to help you to keep this part nice and neat. So when you put it away, you can put the lid on top, and this will prevent your lid and your Cocotte from chipping. And in both handles is printed Staub. Now let's see what information is outside the box. Here you have the color of your Cocotte, the capacity and the height. And here are the barcodes of the item. And over here you have a little QR code that you have to scan to register your item for the warranty, okay? And in this side of the box there is another QR code that you can scan for more information and recipes. And over here is telling us on what kind of stoves you can use it. It is safe to be used in the dishwasher, it is food safe, and you can put it in the oven. The price for this 5 quarts Cocotte from Staub is around $370. To check online because they put them on sale quite often. And I checked today and some colors are on sale at $149. So if you are planning on get one, this is your time. La Cocotte is made from cast iron, and let me show you the lid. The lid, it is specially shaped and has many small bumps that are called picots. This allows the steam produced during cooking to drip down steadily and evenly into the food being cooked, creating a continuous cycle of moisture in the Cocotte. As a result, each ingredient retains its full flavor, meat does not dry out, and vegetables remain tender. Let me show you the interior of this beautiful Cocotte. All the interiors of the Staub cast iron items are enamel with a black matte finish, and this enamel is mainly made of glass with a better resistance to thermoshocks and scratches that is far easier to maintain. This matte black enamel acts like a micro grill, bringing out delicious roasting flavor, and it provides the ideal conditions for searing, frying, and caramelizing food. The Staub products do not require any seasoning and are considered among the less toxic cookware. The Cocotte's enamel cast iron preserves each ingredient's nutritional values and full flavor. No matter what food you prepare in your Staub Cocotte, the result will always be delicious. And if you are wondering what is the difference between La Cocotte and a Dutch oven, actually, Cocotte is the French term for Dutch oven. And normally the Cocottes are smaller in size, and some Dutch ovens don't have any enamel coating. And these knobs are resistant up to 500 Fahrenheit degrees in the oven, and you can put ice cubes on the lid to enhance the internal condensation process. And one thing that is super important, you always need to use something to grab your cocotte while cooking, because these parts get super hot. So always be careful in not touching these parts or your cocotte while cooking your masterpieces. And silicone and wood utensils are preferred to use with your cocotte. And if you are concerned about how much it weighs, let me tell you. The lid weighs 3 pounds 9 ounces approximately. This one weighs about 8 pounds. Okay, and as a summary, La Cocotte 5 quarts from Staub, that is among the best qualified Dutch ovens out there. It's made of cast iron with black enamel. It comes in 10 colors, being cherry the most popular. The height is 9 3/8 inches. Its total weight is about 12 pounds approximately. You can use them in induction, halogen, electric, gas, and radiant stoves. They recommend silicone and wood utensils. Is dishwasher safe, but is recommended hand wash. It is oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit degrees, and it has a lifetime warranty. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope that you find this video very interesting. If you are planning on buying one of these beauties, I'm pretty sure that you're going to find so many ways to use it. Obviously, the sourdough bread, they said it comes out very nice. And please stay tuned, because I will be sharing some videos on how I'm going to be using my stuff. And if you guys have experience using some of these, please leave the comments in the description of this video. The people that are new like me using these kind of things in the kitchen will be very happy to learn from all your experiences. This is so beautiful, and it's going to look amazing in my kitchen, and I cannot wait to use it. Oh my gosh, this little thing. Oh my god. Yes, I love bows. Not because they are on trend, but I have always loved ribbons and bows. And thank you very much, Staub, for adding this little coquette touch to La Cocotte. Okay, I really love it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, and I cannot wait to wash it, and then I'm going to use it to make something delicious. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me any comment, question or suggestion, and I will be very happy to take a look at them. And see you next time guys. Bye bye.